All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Saturday phrasal verb. So go over. Go over. So to consider, or think about, or inspect. To go over the book before we submit it. Okay, to go over it, or to physically be in a different place. Go over the mountain. How can I get over the mountain? How will we go over the hill? How can we go over the hill? How can we go over the hill? Or over the mountain? How can we go over it? Which way will go over it? We need to get over it. I will go over the document now. I will review it. I will review and go over it now before we send it. Yes, we need to go over it before we send it. Quite important. She will go over it tonight. Yeah, so we will go over the test documents again tonight. He should go over it once more before he submits it. Yeah, I need to review it once more. Go over the document, over the spelling, over the grammar once more, and then submit it. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So I did go over it, and I liked it. Yeah. I think I should go over it once more. So as I plan my lessons, I go over the slides once more before I then start recording. Yes. By going over them, I can find and correct any potential errors or mistakes. Yes. By going over it, we can find mistakes. We can find mistakes. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. So he's planning to go over the plans soon. Yes. So I need to go over my plans for Snowdonia today. Once I have done some things like cleaning and recording. Yeah. I have a lot of plans to go over. Yeah. Because I want to climb over a mountain. I just need to figure out which route to take. Yeah. Which way to go over the mountain? I'm not sure. They decided to go over there soon, yeah. So I have decided to go over there before winter, and it becomes too cold. Yes. So we will go over there for the summer. Yeah. So we will physically go over there the summer. Yeah. I want to go over there again. I want to go over there again while it is still summer. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? How cool is that? So go over, to consider or think about or inspect something. Go over the book and make it better. Or physically be in a different place. I want to go over there. How can I get over there? What happens if I go over there? What will I see? What will I see if I go over there? Yeah, what will I see? I will find out. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use go over in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy when you search for my name, Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.